The sea itself is on fire. Wooden hulls splinter, engulfed in a substance that defies nature. It clings to men, to ships, to the very surface of the waves. Water, which should be its enemy, only feeds its rage. This is not warfare. This is a vision of hell, delivered by the Byzantine Empire. They called it Greek fire, a liquid incendiary projected from bronze siphons mounted on the prows of their warships. For over 700 years, it was the ultimate weapon. The shield of Constantinople. It incinerated entire fleets and repelled countless invaders. The mere threat of it could halt an army. Its composition was the most closely guarded secret in the known world, classified above all else. But how do you protect a secret so powerful? The Byzantines used a protocol of absolute compartmentalization. The formula was known in its entirety only to the ruling emperor and a single trusted family of technicians who passed it down through generations. The raw ingredients were sourced from different, distant regions. The complex mixing process was divided among specialized teams who never interacted. One group might refine the naphtha, another would prepare the sulfur, a third would construct the pressurized siphons. No single person, outside the tiny inner circle, held the complete blueprint. It was a system designed for perfect security, but it had a fatal flaw. It was fragile. In the year 1204, the system broke. The Fourth Crusade, intended to liberate the Holy Land, turned on its Christian allies instead. The Crusaders sacked Constantinople. In the chaos, the city burned. Libraries were destroyed. The imperial line of succession was shattered, and the family entrusted with the secret vanished. The knowledge wasn't written in a single book, waiting to be rediscovered. It was a living secret, and it died in the smoke and screams of the city it was built to protect. Centuries later, we are still searching. Historians scrutinize faded texts. Chemists test countless combinations: petroleum, naphtha, sulfur, quicklime. We have created our own liquid fires, napalm, thermite, but nothing matches the ancient descriptions. A substance that could reportedly be ignited by water, that burned upon its surface and stuck to its victims like a shroud. We can split the atom and map the human genome, but we cannot reliably recreate a 1,000-year-old weapon. Greek fire is more than a lost formula. It is a permanent scar in our intellectual record. A chilling reminder that knowledge is not guaranteed, that progress is not a straight line, and that some secrets, once lost to the darkness, may never be found again.